JavaScript, also abbreviated as JS, is an easy-to-use programming language that makes use of many of the fun features that make a web page come to life. Netscape developed JavaScript. They incorporated Java into JavaScript because they wanted JavaScript to be as popular as Java, and indeed, JavaScript followed the same luck. It is widely known as the language for writing web pages, and hence, big companies like Facebook and Amazon use JavaScript to create their own web pages and applications. Think about it. The last time you visited Amazon, or if you updated your status on LinkedIn, your interaction with these apps is possible due to them being built using JavaScript. You can create timely content updates, interactive maps, animations, 3D, 2D games, web servers, or create graphic art on the pages you develop. It's a lot of work to create a professional website, so if you're new to web development, it's wise to start small. You can't build another Google right away, but it's not difficult to build your simple website on the internet or make a simple working app. Opportunities are only limited by one's imagination.